Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into an amazing AI crayon painting transformation video using CapCut. This effect is super trendy, easy to use, and perfect for short video or social media content. Okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version so all templates are available. And then next just go to home screen, and then next just tap on template, just go to template sections, and then at the top just tap on the search bar and then just search for AI crayon like this, and then you will see several AI crayon styles templates. Just preview them first and then choose the one that you like the most. Each template has a slightly different crayon painting animation styles. For example like this, and then next just tap on use AI template, and then now just upload the photo that you want to transform. For the best result, just use a clear photo with good lighting and a visible face. And then next just tap on next and wait for the process. Okay, like this, CapCut automatically process your photo and apply the crayon painting transformations like this. Your normal photo has now been transformed into a beautiful AI crayon painting like this. I think it's so cute, it's super cute. And then next you can just export it directly or add music. And then next you can just export it, or you can also upload it directly to your TikTok or another social media. And also you can edit it first, like maybe add music or extra effect if you want. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.